southeastern Hardin counties in west central Ohio and western Union counties in central Ohio. At 11:37 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Upper Sandusky to Mechanicsburg, moving northeast at 70 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Urbana, Mechanicsburg, North Lewisburg, West Mansfield, Mount Victory, Ridgeway, Woodstock, Valley High, Mutual, Cable, Raymond, Pickrelltown, Byhalia, Middleburg, Pfeiffer, Powhatan, Hepburn, Mingo, Hattiesburg and Catawba Station. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ottawa County, Huron County, Western Richland County, Erie County, Seneca County, Marion County, Eastern Sandusky County, Wyandotte County, Morrow County, Crawford County, until 12:45 p.m. At 11:38 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Tiffin to near Larue, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Marion, Sandusky, Tiffin, Norwalk, Fremont, Bucyrus, Western Vermilion, Upper Sandusky, Port Clinton, Mount Gilead, Kelly's Island, Put-in-Bay, Galion, Shelby, Bellevue, Clyde, Willard, Ontario and Lexington. A wind advisory remains in effect until